that. Put like, kind of like, nah, leave that one hand down. Put it on your hip. Yeah, right there, perfect. 1, 2. Ooh, okay, hold up. Hold that right there, hold up. 1, 2, 3.
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the IDD, back with another video. And here I just want to emphasize the importance of using additional lights to get separation. Now in these first two images, I'm setting my exposure for the subject, but then I noticed that the black that the subject has on is blending in with the backdrop. So I add another light, and when I add the extra light, I notice that the hat is blending in with the backdrop as well. So you see me tilt my backlight so that it can act as a rim light slash hair light, just so that I can get some separation between the hat and the backdrop, and then also the gloves that she has on and the backdrop. And then I set the power of both rim lights so that they are equal to 8200 and Godox V1. And then I take off the grid slightly just to get a little bit more power coming out the top, to get a little bit more separation with that hat and that backdrop.
Okay, 1, 2.
Actually put it on.
Yeah. Just to fake it till you make it. Ooh. Okay, hold it. Okay, I like that. Give me that same one. And actually, yeah, right there. 1, 2, 3. All right, perfect. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And bring the mirror in a little bit more. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. One, 2. Perfect. 1, 2. Perfect. Love it. Give me a glance off. Perfect. All right. Yeah. I'm telling you.
I think it's the light.
Yeah. 2. 1, 2. Alright. Oh yeah, I like that. 1, 2. Yep, that's perfect right there. 1, 2. Let's see. One, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And look off past that light. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. And kind of play with your hair a little bit. Perfect. 1, 2. And play with your hair and look off. Perfect. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So give me one more of those. We kind of like, yeah, perfect. 1, 2. Boom. So yeah, we can start with that. Perfect. 1, 2. Alright. Yeah, love that. Alright, perfect. 1, 2. Perfect. Hold that right there. Alright. 1, 2. Perfect. And bring it, so corner yourself just a little bit, bring it back this way, yeah. All right, perfect. And 1, 2, 3. All right. See, and bring it in a little bit, yeah, just like that. 1, 2, and turn your body a little bit towards me, perfect. Yeah, now keep right there and then look into and fix your hair. Yeah, play with your hair. Perfect. Perfect.